The human body is a complex machine that is made up of many key components. Understanding how this network of intricate systems operates is essential to shaping a healthier future for Canadians. At the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, we are preparing students to lead this effort through our Honours Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Sciences program. This innovative undergraduate degree will prepare you with a solid foundation in core subjects like biology, chemistry, anatomy, and physiology, while also integrating artificial intelligence and emerging technology in modern healthcare. Explore cutting-edge innovations in biomedical sciences by engaging in interdisciplinary research activities, including virtual laboratory sessions and an undergraduate research program. Whether you envision yourself working in public health, research, health science, or healthcare, this program provides you with the technological knowledge and skills needed to have a successful career in the digital world. For those who aspire to become a doctor, our pre-med pathway allows you to begin your degree at UNF and finish your studies at one of our 2 partner medical schools, accelerating your academic journey and empowering you to achieve your goals sooner than most traditional timelines. If you have a passion for health, innovation, and discovery, we encourage you to join the next wave of leaders in Canada's healthcare sector at UNF. Visit unfc.ca to learn more. Innovation flows here.